The Mediz Outdoor Brochure Box uses thick, ultraviolet-resistant acrylic and polystyrene, so flyers stay readable instead of fading or curling in sun and rain. Its snug snap-style lid closes firmly, so wind and passing storms are far less likely to scatter your real estate sheets or event handouts across the yard. The interior comfortably fits a full stack of standard letter-size flyers, so you can load it once and know that many visitors can help themselves before it needs refilling. Pre-drilled mounting points and included hardware make it straightforward to attach this holder to signposts, yard stakes, or frames without extra trips to the hardware store. Because it is compact yet sturdy, it looks professional next to real estate signs, community notices, or event boards without feeling flimsy or out of place. Being produced in the United States with solid materials and simple mechanics, it feels like a dependable long-term solution for outdoor brochures rather than a disposable accessory.